So we brought together 9 companies from all around the world, from America, Canada, Italy, Israel. They've come, they're solving big problems in healthcare, and they're working with our partners who are industry leaders to try and identify opportunities and challenges to work on together.
EY recognised that actually HealthXL as an infrastructure to support the identification of the next revolutionary company in digital health is critical to both our presence in the life sciences and technology sector. I think Ireland's potential, there's a very similar theme here. Ireland has had a great track record in attracting multinationals in both the life sciences and technology sectors. And through them, we've seen a really vibrant both indigenous tech and life science sector, particularly in med device, web development, app development. And I think we're uniquely placed to bring both those skills together to actually similarly create quite innovative global solutions, not just to Irish problems, but global health problems.
Basically, we're creating a platform to help our users better manage chronic conditions like hypertension and CHF. And we're using smart devices, sensors, and gamification elements to make that process easier. I can speak from my experiences because my dad actually had a lot of heart issues. If you've seen like Indian food, it's terrible for you. So, you know, the biggest thing for him was to change how much he's eating, his sodium levels, exercising, sleep. There's so many different factors. What health devices and these apps, what they do is that they take all that information and put it in a simple way so that you're not overwhelmed with information. Actually, 50% of patients can be classified as non-compliant, which basically means they don't follow what their doctor is telling them. And that's because the information is just so overwhelming and it's difficult to implement. That's where services like Benicure come in and literally make it such an easy process so that not only do you get better, it's easier to get better.
I work for a company called Centrion. We're a Southern California-based technology company in big data. We are leveraging the revolution in remote biosensing technology as well as machine learning to keep patients healthy and at home. Our place in healthcare is really just starting. The place of big data definitely needs to exist. It's just there's data everywhere. It's fragmented, and it's very, very challenging for most healthcare organizations to pull that data into one place and make sense of that data. So maybe our differentiation is we can cut through some of the time delay and some of that by preparing a way to kind of gather analytics around data that's in motion from remote patient monitoring devices. So we can really deliver a fast result for our clients.
We are a medication management platform addressing the major factors of non-adherence with a built-in caregiver support system. Data is very dispersed, and there's a lot of it in different stakeholders within the healthcare system, and there's really need to find a way to get the data to the right people in the right time in order to address the challenges of the healthcare sector. For example, Medisafe, we're not at big data yet, but we do see a lot of value in data and getting that information about medication non-adherence to the physician's hands in the right time in order to address non-adherence. So we're really trying to give them real-time feedback on how patients are managing their medications outside of the office visits.
I'm Luca Emili, I'm CEO and founder of ProMeditech, and our company developed a software solution for a clinical trial. Big data has impacted absolutely the health environment, but I think that in the future it will impact a lot more when every device will be connected to EMR system, and everyone will has his own device to collect data regarding his stage of health. In the future, absolutely will be a requirement for a new technology that in this moment are not available completely because of regulation, in different countries, etc. So probably we have to think about something that mixed technology, regulation, and habitude of people, and make it as a solution for everyone.